everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Mahwash here with one more easy breezy banana recipe. I am back with another delicious, healthy, energy boosting overripe banana recipe. It is healthy oatmeal banana cookies with chocolate chips, and they are the healthiest cookie ever. These cookies are perfect for breakfast, mid morning snack, afternoon snack, or anytime you're craving sweet. They are even perfect as a school lunchbox filler. My kids absolutely love these. The great thing about these cookies is that it has no sugar, no flour, and no egg. You can enjoy these healthy cookies without any guilt. The overripe bananas and a little addition of honey gives these healthy chocolate chip cookies the sweet flavor that will satisfy your cravings for some sugar. And if you're not a big fan of chocolate, well, who isn't? But still, if you're avoiding it, you can add other ingredients to customize your cookie according to your liking. You can add chopped nuts like almonds, macadamias, cashews, or you can add raisins, berries, or any seeds like chia seeds, sunflower seeds, or even pumpkin seeds, whichever you like. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make these delicious, healthy banana oatmeal breakfast cookies. 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup mashed bananas. Use the overripe, soft, and mushy ones as they are much sweeter and best for this recipe. Half cup desiccated coconut. You can skip these if you're on a low calorie and low fat diet, but if you're making it for your kids, then go for it. 2 tablespoon coconut oil, quarter cup honey, 1 cup dark chocolate chips. These are Cadbury's dark chocolate chips for baking, but if you're on a no sugar diet, you can use any sugar free chocolate chips. I have personally tried the brand No Shoe. They have 98% sugar free chocolate chips, which taste just the same. Here's how to make these perfect anytime snacking chocolate chip cookies. Take a mixing bowl and add all the ingredients except chocolate chips. Mix them thoroughly until everything comes together. After mixing it, let it rest for at least 10 minutes so that the oats can absorb all the flavors and moisture from the other ingredients. After 10 minutes, add in the chocolate chips and mix them in. I didn't use the whole cup as I thought I'll add some on top after the cookies are baked, but apparently they looked perfect and didn't need any more. As these banana oat milk cookies are not like normal cookies and they would not melt to form a flat cookie, we have to shape them ourselves. I have two methods to shape these cookies. First method is to take a tablespoon of the mixture in your hand, roll into a ball, and then squash to flatten it while giving it a circular shape, just like over here. The second method is to shape them like you shape shami kebabs. My desi ladies would know what I mean. Place the mixture in your hands, make a ball, and then use both your palms to shape it into a flat disc, just like over here, the way I am doing it. If the cookie looks a bit boring from the top, then add some chocolate chips and don't forget to press them in. Place your healthy chocolate chip cookie on a baking tray and repeat until all your mixture is used up. Now place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden from the top. Here's how they looked after 15 minutes of baking. So I baked for 6 more minutes to get that golden color. The time varies from oven to oven, so keep checking. Now that's the color I was looking for. Baked till beautifully golden. Let them completely cool before you bite into it. Serve and enjoy these healthy cookies without going on a guilt trip. These banana oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are a bit crispy from top and chewy from inside. Their texture is not like normal cookies, as we have used honey in it and not sugar. Sugar crisps up the cookie. The best thing about these banana oatmeal cookies with chocolate chips is that you can make a big batch and then freeze them in a single layer and then store them in an airtight container for at least 3 months. Whenever you feel those sugar pangs, you can defrost 1 or maybe 2 and satisfy your sweet tooth. And they're also the best on the go breakfast. You're getting late for work? No problem. Defrost a cookie or two and have it with your coffee. Breakfast done. Hit that like button if you like today's healthy banana oatmeal cookies with chocolate chips. And check out more of my overripe banana recipes in the description box below. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and press that bell icon to get all the updates on what's cooking at Maha's Shack. If you're already a subscriber, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. I totally value your likes and comments. Comment down below and let me know, do you like chocolate chips or will you customize your cookie with another ingredient? Thanks for watching and bye for now.